So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manav. So in continuation of Python series, today we are discussing about comparison operator. So without any further discussion, let's get started. Let me open my VS Code. Okay. So the comparison operator. So when you have to check on your program whether it's a true, whether it's both are equal or both are not equal, what is a greater than, what is a less than. Okay, so that time you are using the comparison operator basically. So comparison operator, I can say, any when you do a development, any of the code is using it because it's a essential thing for working. Okay, so we have a six type of comparison operator, which is double equal to, then not equal to, then greater than, less than, the greater than equal to, less than equal to. Okay, so in a example, so each of this out of six, all of them are returning only boolean value, like true and false. Okay, okay, so like example, if you see here, A is a 10 and B is a 3. Okay, so if you see, A equal to B, no, because 10 and 30 are not equal, so it will return a false. Then A and B is not equal. Not equal to means extra sign, equal to means not equal to, both are not equal. Correct, it's not equal, then it's written true. So A is greater than B. A, it's 10 and B is 3, means A is greater than B. That's true, so this is written a true. Okay, then A is less than B. No, A is not a less than B eventually. Okay, so it will return a false. Then A is greater than equal to B. Yes, A is greater than equal to B. Then B is less than equal to B. A is less than equal to B. No, so that will return a false. Okay, so hope you are getting it. Okay, then so equal to sign, basically when we are check both things are similar, that time we are using equal to sign. That's it. So in Python we have a dot equal function as well. Okay, when you have to compare two string instead of integer, you can use that equal method, because that is a more efficient way to check the string. Okay, but equal to, you can do a string comparison. Okay, it's not an issue. So if you can see here, we are just checking both string are equal, so it will return a true. Here we are just checking this is lowercase and this is uppercase single character, so it will return a false. But here, so before that, just checking lesser than, I was take you through a number. So the binary number for A to Z, capital A to Z is 65 to, not a binary number, the character number basically, ASCII number, you can say. A to capital Z, it's 65 to 90, and small a to small z is 97 to 122. Okay, so here what happening, it's checking apple less than banana basically. Okay, so it's checking first character, which is A less than B. So A number is 97 and B number is 98. So A is lesser than banana, B, then it's true. So it will return a true. Okay. Then here zebra, it's less than apple. So Z, capital Z is 90, and small a is 97. Okay, so here 90 less than 97. What do you think? Yes, definitely. So it will return a true. Okay. So what happening actually here? I will write one more example. Sorry, my okay. I will write one more example. Equal a car. It's we are checking that with cat. Okay. So just pause this video and give me the output. what it will return? It will true or it will false? Okay, so what happen here? So first it will check C and C, both are same. Moving ahead, A and A, both are same. Then last character is different, R and T. So it will check those number from between this range. Okay, and these are lesser than to T. Okay, then it's return a true. That's it. So this is the cycle how it's checking lesser than and greater than number. This is the ASCII number, ASCII range for a capital A to small z, capital A to capital Z, small a to small z. Okay, then this is the comparison basically. So if you have to check whether this age is fall under the 18 to 16 range, so this is also one type of way using you can check 18 greater than equal to age and greater than equal to 60. Okay, and there is a one more way, not one more way, lots of ways are there. Okay, so we can check age is greater than equal to and this, so this both are same thing. Here also a same thing. When you're checking a percentage, we are just using greater than equal to. So equal to means uh what is the difference between what is the difference between a greater than equal to and greater than. So like greater than, normal greater than you use, it won't be include this number, but if you add a equal to, then it's also check 18 equal to 18. Okay, hope you are getting it. Okay, the same thing. So here we are just checking the float comparison, nothing else. Okay, so if you print 0, we are just adding it. So we are just checking this add number with the 03. Here we are receiving false. Why we are receiving false? Because the summation of is 0.3. Just tell me. Just pause this video 2 3 seconds and tell me in comment. Okay, so why this is returning a false? Because the summation is give what we are getting, it's 0.30 means 3 0.3 point 0.30000000 until 4. Okay, but we are just checking 0.3. If it's instead of 0.3 we are checking here this, so we are getting it true. Okay, so this is the math module in Python. Using it, we are just round off this one, and again we are checking. Then we are receiving true. So we have lots of way to check this. It's not a single way. We can use the round method as well. Okay. Then here it's basically we are checking. So this is the string and this is the integer. So it won't be support. Actually, it will support. It will give you the false. So we are here is also getting a integer and in string. We are just checking lesser than. So it will give you the error because integer and string both are how we can Python can check it's lesser than or greater than. Okay. So hope you are getting it. So in this quick recap in this video, we have just discussed about all the comparison operator, equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to. Okay, hope you got all of these things, and let me know if you have any questions, if you have to feedback in comment section. I will try to reply. Thank you.